Vice President Kosato Chiwenga, long seen as the quiet force behind ZANU-PF military backbone, is no longer playing second fiddle. Sources close to the party inner circle review a growing consensus. Like it or not, General Chiwenga is poised to become the next secretary of ZANU-PF and ultimately the president of Zimbabwe. Everyone is celebrating. Sarabinda mashoko nzi Chiwenga panguwa inachati zvekutamba ari kuti panguwa ine magame ekutamba takamaita kare, takamaita makare, but panguwa ino takuda kusachange munyika yeZimbabwe. Panguwa ino hatichatolereti nonsense. Sarabinda mashoko ari kuda panguwa ino munhu wese munyika yeZimbabwe achiti general ndo the next president wenyika. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pahendo yachipomusaro wanoenderamberi achiti criminal kuda kwachitagure at Wikno Chivayo are reportedly scrambling to contain General Chiwenga's momentum in a desperate bid to undermine the vice president's standing. Insiders allege that the duo mobilized 10 buses of youths from the Midlands province to attend the ZANU-PF Congress in Mutare, not to support the party, but to publicly boo Chiwenga. The move, described by one party veteran as a reckless act of sabotage, signals the depth of panic within Mnangagwa's loyalist camp. The Midlands, traditionally Mnangagwa's stronghold, is now being weaponized in a factional war that threatens to tear the party apart. If Chiwenga ascends, it will mark the return of hardline military discipline to Zimbabwe's leadership. If Tagore and Chivayo succeed in derailing him, it will be a triumph of money over merit. Either way, ZANU-PF is at a crossroads and the nation is watching. Ndo mashoko aripo muri yeZimbabwe panguva ino zvonyatso kutsanangurwa zviripo the current situation yenyika yeZimbabwe kunzi aiwa ZANU-PF yoteremuka. Pina kuma section medu nzi mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Wapina kuma section medu nzi mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.